Welcome, dear students. Our first chapter is introduction in our subject DSBM. In next topic is the industry. First of all, in industry, the definition of industry. What is the definition of industry? The term industry refers to that part of business activity which is related to production, processing, or fabrication of product. Means the production of products from the raw material. For example, our pharma industry, to produce the capsules, tablets, liquid dosage form, semi-solid dosage form, solid dosage form, all the products are produced from the raw material. For example, drug raw material, for example, flavoring agent, then active ingredient, antioxidant are mixed together and to produce the product from the to the industry. It is the from raw material. The processing is the production, then QA, QC, all the department are in the our pharma industry, and then produce the product. Then the next topic is classification of industry. What is different types of industry? Classification on the basis of types of goods produced. Means what is a goods or what is a product or produce? It is a classification are there. First class is the extractive industry. Extractive means extract, means the inward extract is to give the extract from the any active ingredient from the our raw material, give the extract our active ingredient. These industry are engaged in activity whereby the wealth is obtained from soil, air or water, or obtained from surface of earth. Means the to wealth means the money is produced from the soil, earth or water, or obtained from the surface of earth by various extraction process. Extraction process means your pharmacognostic subject, your extractive processes are there. The same the process are in the extractive industry are there. Active ingredient are extract from the raw material. Then next industry is the genetic industry. These industries engage in producing and multiplying certain species of plants and animals for purpose of earning profit. Means the different type of plant are multiply or produce the next species in the genetic industry to earn the profit. For example, the poultry farm, breeding farms are there. There is a genetic industry. There is a producing or multiplying the certain species of plant are the genetic industry. Then the construction industry means the civil engineer are there is the construction industry. For example, it is the construction of road, dam, bridges or their process are there in the construction industry. All the construction processes, your home construction, the road, building, bridge, dam, all there. Next is the manufacturing industry. Manufacturing means your pharma industry. Your pharma industry is the manufacturing industry, means the manufacturing the new products. These industries are engaged in the conversion of raw material or semi-finished product. For the conversion of raw material to the active product are there in the manufacturing industry. For example, pharmaceutical industry, the raw material or of the drug is give to the product, mix all the ingredient and give to the final product or finished product. Manufacturing industry may be subdivided into following types. The manufacturing industry is subdivided into following types with 4 to 5 types. First type is the analytical industry. Analytical industry means the separating the all the elements from the same product. For example, any product you have there, they separated the all the ingredients in the analytical industry. Then the synthetic industry means in the industry various ingredients are put together and combined. Means the combine all the raw materials, combine and manufacture process or manufacture the new product. Those 2 to 3 products are combined and to give the new product. Then processing industry means the raw material are processed together through different stages of production. Different stages of production means different process are in the raw material are there in the processing industry. Then assembly line industry means in this industry only manufacture parts are assembled, means the 2 to 3 parts are joined together and to make the useful product are the assembled together. Then classification based on the size and investment, means the size of your product, our industry and investment. Light industry means your name is indicates the light means small capital or investment and small duration of production is there. Light industry means this industry involves a small capital investment, not a large, small capital, and have a short duration of production cycle. Means size capital investment is small and duration of production cycle is small, and their machinery cost is also small or less. Then the heavy industry means the big capital investment are there. The capital in the big means in crores, for example, and also involve the longer production cycle. It is not a smaller production cycle, longer production cycle. It is a second classification based on size and investment. Then the third classification based on the capital employed, means the how many UR capital are invested in the industry. For example, large scale or small scale. Large scale industry means the large capital, means large money are invested, and small scale means small money are invested or employed in the business are there. Here is a third are the industry topic. It is the last topic of first chapter of introduction in DSBM subject. There next lecture we can start the second chapter. Thank you.